Welcome to our channel School of MCQ. In today's topic, we will going to call top 30 General Science MCQ. So let's start the video. The weight of the brain in the total weight of the body is about 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. The correct answer is option A. The weight of the brain in the total weight of the body is about 2%. The lifespan of red blood cell is 60, 120, 180, 240. The correct answer is option B. The lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days. Carbon dioxide is called a greenhouse gas because its concentration remains always higher than other gases. It is used in photosynthesis. It absorbs infrared radiation. It emits visible radiation. The correct answer is option C. Carbon dioxide gas is called a greenhouse gas because it absorbs infrared radiation. Yellow color of urine is due to presence of bile juice, urochrome, lymph, cholesterol. The correct answer is option B. Yellow color of urine is due to the presence of urochrome. In case of a heart attack, a hormone is injected as an emergency measure. Which one is it? Thyroxine, adrenaline, heparin, insulin. The correct answer is option B. Adrenaline. The sun's mass is mainly consists of hydrogen, about 73%. The second main constituent, about 25%, is hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. The correct answer is option B. The sun mass is mainly consists of hydrogen, about 73%. The second main constituent, about 25%, is helium. Monocarpic plants are those that produce fruits dash during the life of the plant. Once, thrice, many times, twice. The correct answer is option A. Monocarpic plants are those that produce fruits once during the life of the plant. Hardest part of the human body is tooth enamel, femur, temporal bone of the skull, knee bone. The correct answer is option A. Hardest part of the human body is tooth enamel. Organisms which synthesize their own food are called autotrophs, heterotrophs, exotrophs, none. The correct answer is option A. Organisms which synthesize their own food are called autotrophs. What hold the sides of the DNA leather together? Polar covalent bond, ionic bond, metallic bond, covalent bond. The correct answer is option D. Covalent bonds hold the sides of the DNA leather together. Bone deformities occur due to the excess intake of phosphorus, potassium, fatty acid, fluorine. The correct answer is option D. Bone deformities occurs due to the excess intake of fluorine. Deficiency of vitamin D results in night blindness, rickets, scurvy, hair fall. The correct answer is option B. Deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets. What is the device that used to measure movements of the heart? Cardiograph, seismograph, hydrometer, hygrometer. The correct answer is option A. Cardiograph is the device that used to measure movements of the heart. Total salt content in blood is about. The correct answer is option D. Total salt content in blood is about 0.85 to 0.9%. The bodyguard of the earth is dash that save the earth from many comets and asteroids. Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. The correct answer is option D. The bodyguard of the earth is Jupiter that save the earth from many comets and asteroids. The enzyme that is necessary to bring about clotting of blood is peptidase, amylase, lipase, thrombokinase. The correct answer is option D. The enzyme that is necessary to bring about clotting of blood is thrombokinase. The SI unit of heat is watt, volt, joule, Newton. The correct answer is option C. The SI unit of heat is joule. The vitamin required for the synthesis of nucleic acid is retinol, folic acid, ascorbic acid, none. The correct answer is option D. The vitamin required for the synthesis of nucleic acid is folic acid. The process of forming urine begins in the embryo, ureter, nephrons, urethra. The correct answer is option C. The process of forming urine begins in the nephron. Damage to hearing is caused by sound which exceed 70 decibels, 80 decibels, 100 decibels, 120 decibels. The correct answer is option D. Damage to hearing is caused by sound which exceed 120 decibels. The gland that is present close to trachea, pancreas, liver, adrenal, thyroid. The correct answer is option D. The gland that is present close to trachea is thyroid gland. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by its electron, proton, neutron, none of these. The correct answer is option B. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by its proton number. The rate of heartbeat is accelerated by the hormone adrenaline, dopamine, thyroxine, calcitonin. The correct answer is option A. The rate of heartbeat is accelerated by the hormone adrenaline. Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of which of the following gases in air? Hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen. The correct answer is option A. Brass gets discolored in air because of the presence of hydrogen sulfide. CNG stands for converted natural gas, natural gas, conducted natural gas, compressed natural gas. The correct answer is option D. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Which of the following vitamin helps in clotting of blood? Vitamin K, vitamin D, vitamin B1, vitamin B2. The correct answer is option A. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. For apex mass of gas at constant temperature, if we decrease volume, the pressure will also decrease, increase, remain constant, none of these. The correct answer is option B. The pressure will increase. Only movable bone in the skull: occipital bone, frontal bone, mandible, temporal bone. The correct answer is option C. Only movable bone in the skull is mandible. A person who is seated in front of a fire wall will receive heat by conduction, convection, radiation, none of these. The correct answer is option C, radiation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe School of MCQ for latest informative MCQ.